Hello, this tutorial is to inform you how to access and navigate the Morningstar Investment Research Center database, which is available to you through the Clifton Park Half Moon Public Library. First, you will want to navigate to the library's website at cphlibrary.org. Then, you'll want to click the tab titled Research. This should generate a drop-down box in which you will choose the option Business. Scroll down the list until you see Morningstar Investment Research Center. Note that there are two options for you to choose from. The hyperlink with the orange icon next to it indicates that it is for remote access outside of the library. This will require you to input your library card information. The option without this icon is for use inside of the library and will not require additional information from you. Click the Access Now hyperlink on the option you would like to use. Doing so will bring you to the Morningstar homepage. The Morningstar homepage displays a number of features available through the database. These features are briefly described and hyperlinks are provided on equity information, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, planning, and education. Note that if you are looking for information on a particular entity or organization, you may use the search bar located in the top right corner of the screen. If you are looking for information that is not provided on the Morningstar homepage, you may wish to explore through the tabs offered on the database. If you click on Equity, you'll be brought to the Equity Overview page. Here you can see analyst reports, a chart on the market fair value, articles on market commentary, gainers and losers, as well as other information. Going to a specific tab also generates further subpages. You can see them listed here. The Equity, Funds, and ETF tabs are all information-rich with different subpages, tables, and articles for you to explore that may pertain to the information you are looking for. Planning and Education offers classes on investing, a portfolio x-ray where you can input actual or hypothetical portfolios to educate yourself, as well as retirement cost calculators and a college cost calculator. The Articles and Videos tab hosts an archive of all of the articles and videos that have been hosted on Morningstar. Articles are listed by date, and you can further filter results by author or collection. Under the Help tab, you will find monthly training signups, a user's guide, analyst guides to help better understand the Morningstar reports, tutorials, a glossary, and information on Morningstar's methodology. The final tab, Newsletters, offers 4 different monthly newsletters on stocks, dividends, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. The newsletters contain commentary and analysis on current events and investing strategies, as well as watch lists. They are archived for a year, but the information presented in them is not available elsewhere in the database. Hopefully, this tutorial has helped you better understand all of the information and resources Morningstar has to offer you. Thank you for watching.